Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan side entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. We swing the door open. Check this out. It's got the manual in-floor ramp. It's a Braun ability conversion. It's a very intelligent design. It's got a 32-inch wide ramp, or 31.5 inches. Got about 57 inches of room coming inside the van, and about 61 once you're inside the van. So yes, this van is ADA compliant. And to operate this conversion, grab the handle here. You simply walk backwards. Check it out. Super simple to do. The ramp pops up on the sides there. 800-pound weight capacity. Super neat design. It's got the carbon fiber floor, easy to clean. We have got the upgraded Q strings in here. Our competitors will sometimes try to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Be sure you're comparing apples to apples. Got the back seats, they look great. The seats are also nice. We got the storage in the back. A lot of extra storage in case you like to do any traveling. And you can even put these seats down if you need some extra room. Pull right here and they'll fold down. So if you want extra room for extra storage, groceries, whatever it might be, this gives you that option. Both seats are removable, so you could put if you're a passenger up next to you in the wheelchair, if that's important to you, you could put one up in the driver's seat or one back here, or a combination of the three. A lot of versatility, whatever works best for you. Got your rear air, headliner's in great shape. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics. Your cup holders, dual climate control, rear air controls, backup camera, can sync up your phone there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. This van only has 20,000 miles on it, so it's darn near brand new condition. Very nice. And it's got the sliding door over here, manual sliding door, so if you do want to enter from this side or get on this side to tie down your tie down the wheelchair on this side, that second sliding door makes it easy. When it's time to put it away, we just pick it up, reverse the process, slides back in. I sometimes use my foot to push it back in, clamp it there, you're ready to roll. Exterior of this van is in great shape. It's got the tinted windows. We just put 4 brand new tires on it. And you say, why would a van with 20,000 miles need 4 new tires? Because tires are supposed to be replaced about every 5 years. So yes, they had a lot of tread, just getting a little older, a few spots cracking. So we put 4 brand new tires on this van. And you hear me talk about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair vans. How we do it is simple. We have one central location. We're right here in Wichita, Kansas. Look it up on the map. Yeah, I know no one knows where it is. But we're right in the middle of the country. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Saves you money. The other thing is we have one location. I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 15, 50 stores. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have every month compared to our one store. So we literally spend millions of dollars less in overhead than they do every month. That's how we beat their prices by so much money. So check them out, compare us, I welcome it. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video with the VIN number. And why I say that, a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace, a lot of scammers. Folks, Facebook Marketplace is the biggest bunch of scammers on the face of the earth. You better know what you're doing if you're buying there. But they take my pictures, they cut out our sign, they'll post this van on the internet, say $15,000 with a $1,000 deposit. They're trying to scam you. They've stolen my pictures. So what you say to them is, hey, I want you, no matter who you buy from, I want you to send me a video of the VIN number with your name in it. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this van right here in my possession. They could not do that. They could not duplicate this sticker because this sticker comes on the van. They don't have the vans. They're stealing pictures, trying to scam people. Get a video. Protect yourself. Also, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You see 2 owners, no accidents or damage, has some service records. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. And we took this van on trade from a family in California. They wanted a newer van, so it's California owned, nice, salt, rust-free area. No matter who you do business with, check them out. Check out their reputation. Look at us on eBay. 1,570 transactions, 100% positive feedback. Every single one of our transactions left us positive feedback. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Check out their reputation. Check out the reviews. Make sure they are a real company. Check out our 327 reviews. We are established. We've been doing this for over 12 years. And check out our 4.8 out of 5 stars. You know, I hear people all the time. They talk to me about how they bought from a private individual they knew nothing about, or they buy from one of these low-end dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people selling stolen vehicles out there. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical problems, whether it's a transmission, engine, or a combination of all the above. Thousands and thousands of dollars worth of damage or repairs, like I said, a stolen vehicle. So, hey, if you want those 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We got the 2 key fobs, we got the keyless entry, and as I open this van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Has the power driver's seat, and I tell you what, this interior, along with the rest of the van, looks darn near brand new. The family that had it before only used it for doctor's appointments. Like I said, stored and owned in California, and always garaged. So non-smoking, always garaged, super low miles, super well taken care of. You can see the miles, 20,887 miles on the van. When I go to start it up, all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. We've got our backup camera here like I mentioned. You can sync up your phone, keep your eyes on the road. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows and locks. I'm going to show you the power mirrors and the windows working right now. We test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. Take these on a road test. My point is, and I hope you can tell by our videos, I'm even showing you the back vents back here. We're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash like a lot of dealers or people selling it and put it on the internet and try and sell it. We inspect these vehicles very thorough before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood, I got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. And the car underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, from being up north, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 20,000 miles on it, they assume because it looks great in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it's never been in a flood. Folks, I got news for you. Brand new car dealerships get flooded all the time. The water doesn't care if it's a brand new car, doesn't care if it's 20 years old. You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have flood damage that are brand new? So my point is, do not assume things. What you need to do is go check out my competition. That's right, I encourage it. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a bad accident or a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of an accident, no signs of any water damage? Do they crawl up on the roof and check for hail damage or holes in the roof? You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have hail damage up on the roof that's just absolutely destroyed or been used for a taxi, but nobody checks the roof. Guess what? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, he checks the roof. Sorry, I had to take another phone call, but tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or a van that won't pass inspection in your state because it's got frame damage, from an accident or a flood. In both of those cases, and in many more, if you can't get a title for it, you can't drive it, congratulations, you just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new pair of Adidas off of Amazon. This is a big purchase. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do it because I want to inspect the vehicle before I buy, just like you should. So do not settle for some cheap knockoff. Demand that Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Find out who's on the other end of the phone or that internet you're talking with. Check out their reviews and ratings. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. I'm showing you the roof up here. Everything looks good. We inspect the full van, not just the van you're going to see in pictures, the entire van. So let's get it out for a road test so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence, make sure that it's roadworthy, pop it up to 70 miles an hour, accelerates nicely, transmission shifts smoothly, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we have a 90-day complimentary warranty at no charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties, like factory type warranties that go extend out as far as 8 years. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative. Maybe it works good, by the way. They have $500 administrative fees. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you've added up all their hidden fees, and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you and no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Salvage title, flood damage, major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but I just know that the dink and dunk where they add a bunch of fees on the back end is the oldest trick in the car industry. Don't fall for it. Be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy. And keep that in mind. If someone's hiding something right off the bat, there's a really good chance there's hiding something on the back end. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp, and you'll see no grinding, squeaking, or unusual brake noises. Exactly what we're looking for. Ice cold AC, by the way. Got to turn it down here a little bit. It's freezing me out, but it feels great. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, preferably a text, that way anyone in our office can answer you right away, by 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. Challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Ready to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying, pushy used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone or give us a call. We can walk you through an application over the phone, or we can take one over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know it's a major purchase, so I try to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you ever do want to come in to visit us to see our inventory, we welcome walk-ins, but you must make an appointment. We're very busy. We have 3 different locations. Help us get all the vans you're looking at in one location, get all your questions answered, so we can be efficient with your time, and you can help us with that as well. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every single van, and no hidden fees, all from the most thorough and detailed mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com, and as always, thank you for checking us out at mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.